Good evening, America. Live from the corner of Rand Road and Brighton Avenue in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, this is Frank Margell. It's about 7 p.m. in the evening, and we are getting bombed with tons of snow. This is a freelance video, and you will find it at Frank Margell at youtube.com. I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today or this evening. And I'm out here in the public domain sharing my videos with you on the snowstorm of the year, March 14th, 2017. And we are getting a ton of snow. So let me show you around here. If I strike a chord with you, go right ahead and send me a comment. I'm out here in the public domain sharing my opinions and views with you. And thank you for the shares. Try to keep it upbeat. But as I get out here earlier today and faced very precarious driving conditions, we are looking at Brighton Avenue at about 7 p.m. on what normally is a very busy drive. But tonight it's arduous, painstaking, and only those who brave the elements tonight and risk getting stuck are out and about. And some folks indeed are getting stuck all over the big city of Portland, Maine. It is horrendous. Folks are pitching in, trying to shovel out as many people that are driving, but there's not enough people out to actually shovel out and help all those who need assistance with their vehicles. It is arduous and incredibly difficult, if not insane, to be driving on Brighton Avenue, Maine's busiest thoroughway here in coastal southern Maine. Portland, Maine is Maine's largest city, and whatever they said about this weather is true. We are getting inundated with a ton of snow. And as a matter of fact, we have another car stuck right off of Brighton Avenue, and perhaps I could be of some assistance, but it's a foot of snow in front of the vehicle, and unless it's plowed, it's almost impossible to get through. Right here on the streets and avenues of Portland, Maine, we have got a ton of snow to deal with, and it's still Tuesday night at about 7 p.m. The snow is going to go until tomorrow. Up here you can see the S-turns. Earlier this morning, about 10:30 a.m., I tried to get out. I did get out and do a little bit of shopping. I cut a video for y'all, and I spun around and nearly collided with 2 or 3 vehicles just trying to cross an intersection. So it's incredibly impossible, if you can imagine here, for all these experienced Maine drivers, and some have more experience than others, to get out tonight. It is a very deadly situation here in coastal southern Maine. Right here on the corner of Rand and Brighton Avenue in Maine's largest city. So if you're getting out and about, watch it. You could get stuck anywhere, and there's very little public works out right now and help to assist you. If you don't find a good neighbor, you might have to sit it out. Be very careful. Live from Sun and Fun and Snowstorm struck coastal southern Maine, this is Frank Margell. 7 p.m. The storm of the year has arrived, and it is brutal on those who dare drive and get out and about in this. I wish I could help everyone that is in distress, but as you can see, some folks are willing to do whatever they can to help others, and folks are getting stuck all over coastal Maine. Can you imagine what it's like in western Maine during this snowstorm? It must be almost impossible to get out and about in this. It clearly is right here in coastal southern Maine. If you would like, go ahead and spend a few minutes and send me a comment. Try to keep it upbeat, but there's no good news to share with you tonight. This is the snowstorm of the year. You have a great Maine day. I'll try to keep you posted, but there is no safe driving here in coastal southern Maine. Portland, Maine, and the surrounding communities. March 14th, 7 p.m., 2017. You take care, and I'll keep you posted. This is Frank out.